Okay, I'm gonna show you how to lock and unlock your Bank of America card, credit card or debit card. It's real easy to do, but you have to dig a little bit. Here on Chase and Capital One, it's on the front screen. But let's go through Bank of America. First, what you want to do is log on to your Bank of America app. So once you log in, it's gonna take you to this front page. And what you want to do is go there to the top left where you see menu, click on that. And then what you want to do is go down until you see manage debit/credit card. You click on that and there you go. Say for instance, this right here is my debit card. I could slide it to the right for my credit card. So I'm gonna go back to my debit card and I'm gonna lock it. Only thing you have to do is push that lock button and hit down here where it says lock card, and it's done. As you can see, it's locked. It's kind of faded out. And if you want to unlock it, the only thing you have to do is log back on and hit the unlock. And that's it. It's that simple. You know, I had to lock mine the other day because I had misplaced it somewhere. I didn't report it as being stolen. I just had misplaced it. It had fell out my wallet, but it was in my house. I found it. So I locked it until I found it. So that's all to it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.